Today, I return to the truth that I am enough. I am enough exactly as I am. My worth is already within me. I am worthy before I do anything more. I am complete in this moment. I am enough in the life I am living now. I am enough in my quiet moments. I am enough in my growing moments. I am enough in the space between where I am and where I am going. I honor my own path. My path is my own, and I am enough on it. I trust the beauty of my own becoming. I give myself grace as I grow. My journey is worthy. I carry strength in the way I show up for myself. I treat myself with warmth and respect. My heart deserves care. I am worthy of kindness in every season of becoming. I let myself feel held by my own acceptance. I allow myself to feel worthy now. I allow myself to believe in my own value now. My value is steady. My heart is precious. I belong here as I am. I am allowed to take up space. I deserve to be seen with love. I am more than enough to be respected. I am more than enough to be chosen. I carry worth in the way I breathe. I carry beauty in the way I continue. I am proud of the heart I carry. I am proud of the strength within me. I honor the person I am today. I am enough for this breath. I am enough for this day. I am enough for this chapter. I am worthy of peace within myself. I am worthy of confidence in myself. I am worthy of love from myself. I am worthy before I achieve. I am worthy as I grow. I am worthy in my own beautiful timing. I am worthy of my own acceptance. I belong to myself with kindness. I feel enough from the inside out. I let love shape the way I see myself. I give myself permission to feel enough. I give myself permission to believe I am worthy. I trust the truth of my own worth. I am here. I am whole. I am worthy. I am valuable. I am enough. And this truth stays with me now.